A village in Haryana where Supreme Court had refused to stay the demolition of 10,000 illegally constructed houses saw the civic body carry out the demolitions of 150 houses on Wednesday. In the middle of the monsoons, families have been left homeless. Does the government have any rehabilitation plan for them? Akshay Dongre gets you the ground reality.
Looking for the remains of her life in rubble of her home. Rachna, a resident of Khodi village in Faridabad, is trying to overcome the shock of seeing her house demolished in Khodi village. She has nowhere to go. She and her family will now have to live in the open.
सब यहीं पे लगा दिया, अब कुछ नहीं है, गांव में से भी बेच के यहीं लगा दिया। बारिश के मौसम में भीगते रहे और लोग पुलिस तोड़ती रही। बस अब यही है कि सरकार देखे हमारी तरफ, कुछ दे हमें।
With hundreds of security personnel in town, Haryana's Faridabad Municipal Corporation today raised encroachments on forest land in Faridabad's Khodi village, rendering thousands homeless in the middle of the monsoon. 22-year-old Ragini is trying to shelter under a tarpaulin with all her belongings. What is our fault? She asks.
जब मतलब हमने लिया तब क्यों नहीं ऑप्शन उठाया? और पैसे ले लेते हैं, 500 रुपए, 1000 रुपए लेते हैं कि दो हमको, हम घर बचाएंगे, फिर वो पैसे कहाँ जाते हैं?
The demolition has come with just days to go for the Supreme Court deadline to clear encroachments on forest land here.
तो we will be very sure कि जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है वो लेटर ऑफ स्पिरिट में हम इम्प्लीमेंट करें.
The Faridabad authorities today demolished approximately 500 illegal residential complexes. However, the residents of Khori claim that they have been told that in the next 5 days, all of the Khori village will be cleared, which has similar 10,000 more residential complexes.
Under policy for rehabilitation of Khodi Jhuggi dwellers framed by the Municipal Corporation of Faridabad, residents of Khodi will be shifted to EWS flats in the district's Dabua colony and Bapunagar. However, conditions apply. EWS flats are for families with an annual income of up to rupees 3 lakhs. They will get 2,000 rupees a month for the next 6 months. The EWS flats, however, will not be free of cost. After an initial deposit of 17,000 rupees, there will be monthly installments of 2,500 rupees for 15 years. Most people here have neither the documentation mandatory to be allotted these flats, nor can they afford to pay for them.
As over 1 lakh rendered homeless amid monsoon and the government yet again promising rehabilitation for the people, the question remains, will those who let these illegal settlements to flourish be held accountable? With camera person Sudesh Ram and colleague Mohammad Ghazali, I'm Akshay Dongre for NDTV.